Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making French beef stew in the Ninja Foodi. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my Ninja Foodi. I've set on a saute setting, saute sear. We're going to sear up some beef. Now I'm going to add in some olive oil, just enough to coat the bottom of the pot. And this is a recipe to do in a Dutch oven for about 2 hours. We're going to knock it back to about 8 minutes in Ninja Foodi. Now I have a top round roast here. I cut up into small cubes. Well, decent sized cubes, and I salt it with some salt and pepper, or season it with salt and pepper. I'm going to get it into the olive oil, and I'm going to saute it and brown it up. Alright guys, now that my beef is about halfway browned, and Dexter's all wound up, I have 1 large onion and 3 cloves of garlic I diced up. I'm going to get them in there and saute them with the beef so they turn translucent. And while they're turning translucent, the beef will continue to brown up even more, and it will release more of its natural beef flavors. Okay, now that my onions and garlic are starting to turn translucent and soften up, we're going to add in the rest of our ingredients. I'm going to add in a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, and I can turn off my saute sear setting right now. I'm going to add in 2 cups of white wine. I'm going to rinse the tomato can out with the wine. I had to give you some of this wine, Dexter. That'll quiet you up. Just going to give that a quick stir. Now I'm going to add some salt and pepper to this, guys. You don't need a whole lot, but depending on your seasoning. I'm going to go for your seasoning level. I'm going to go for about a half teaspoon of each. Okay, let me give that a stir. Okay, now I have 1 large sweet potato I peeled and I cut in a fairly nice sized chunks. We're going to get that in there. And if you don't like sweet potato, you could substitute this with regular russet potatoes. Just this is what makes this French. Alright, now I have a pound of mushrooms. The real big ones I cut into quarters, and the medium sized ones I cut into half, so we're going to get them in there. Stir. Okay, now I have a little bouquet of fresh thyme here I'm going to lay on top. Now I'm going to put my lid on this. Make sure I'm set on seal. I'm going to set this pressure cook for 8 minutes, and I'm going to allow it to do a natural release of the pressure. Okay guys, my 8 minutes are up. I left it do a natural release of the pressure. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a bowl and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in there and give this a try. And I didn't put a lot of broth on there. If you like broth, you can put extra on there. I'll try a little piece of this beef here. It's really tender. Well seasoned. Picked up the flavor of the white wine and the tomato. The chopped or crushed tomato. Try some sweet potato here. It's really good, guys. It has like a squash taste. I picked up the tomato and wine flavor as well. Some mushroom here. You see the mushrooms then turn to mush. Or mushrooms. That's really good, guys. It's a different take on beef stew. Alright, there you have it. French beef stew in the Ninja Foodi. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.